welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to be working on the G8. We got to change the rotors and the brake pads on it, so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So right now I'm going to show you the rotors and the brake pads came in. So I'm going to open the box and give you a little peek of the rotors. It's like a little kit here. Got your brake pads right here. Rear, I think that's the front or the rear, maybe the front. These are the rear. It comes with some brake fluid. And this is what I thought was kind of neat. It came with new clips. Usually they don't, I've never had a kit to send me the clips before, but good thing that I got the clips in here. And here's the rotors. And I'm not going to pull them all out, but you see right here, they're the slotted and drilled rotors. And just like I said, these are going on the G8. So nice little kit here for the amount that we paid for it. We didn't really pay that much money for it, so I was surprised that it came with all of this for, just like I said, for the small amount that we paid for it. And I'm going to go ahead and get the G8 pulled in, and we can get these rotors and brake pads put on. And my son's going to be watching me do this, because the main point of me doing this is to show him how this stuff is done, so he can do it himself one day in the future. He's taking that off. We've already did one side. This is the side that we just did, so I didn't want to record. I'm probably going to just record one of the back and then one of the front. sure everything's good. Alright, so I guess we can go ahead and get the grease lightning so we can clean the caliper off and
Go on to the front.
go on to the front. Alright, and that is it. Just go ahead and get the tires put back on and I'll close out this video. Alright, we're getting ready to go and do the brake hand process, but you see the rotors and pads are on there. That will front and the other side of the front. We got the rotors and the brake pads on the G8. We did the break-in process. Everything seems to be going good. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for more videos.